So I saw him
Look at
sleeping
all
on
the
a
snow
chair
it left
outside while
Potato.
it was
Isn't it
snowing.
nice?
And
Caillou, wake up. Caillou, Caillou, Caillou.
Rosie, can you please let me sleep for a little bit?
But Rosie wants brother to play with her outside the snow.
Okay fine, but let me sleep for about 5 minutes, okay?
KK.
Alright. Now I should wait for a little while.
Good morning, Mom.
Oh, good morning, Kalo.
Hey, what do you got inside the oven?
Those are the Christmas cookies I baked inside.
Hey, have you seen Dad? I don't see him around here.
He's in the airport trying to buy the tickets so we can visit Grandma and Grandpa in Alaska.
Oh no, not Alaska. Why do Grandma and Grandpa have to live in that very cold place? Me and Rosie were very cold when it snowed over there last year.
You should get breakfast right now, dear.
Okay.
Are you serious? You gotta be kidding me.
Welcome back, honey. How it was?
Very bad. They told me that all the people bought all the tickets to Alaska. Now we can't go to any of the planes to see my parents.
Oh no, what are we gonna do now?
Hey Dad, got the tickets?
Are we gonna visit Grandma, Daddy?
Sorry kids, but everyone took all the tickets.
Wait, so that means we can't visit Grandma and Grandpa this Christmas?
No, Alaska is too far away and we can't go without the airplane.
But Rosie wanted to see Grandma and Grandpa again.
Don't worry, kids. Me and your dad will think of what to do.
Hey Kalo, why not you and Rosie play video games or something while me and your mom think of something?
Oh, okay. Hey Rosie, I'm ready. Let's go play outside just like you said earlier.
Caillou, I don't feel like playing outside right now.
Oh, so you don't want to build a snowman with me like we always do?
No, you can build it without me.
Don't worry Rosie, we might find a way to go to Anchorage to see Grandma and Grandpa this Christmas. Just think of good things right now, okay?
Oh, okay.
So do you want to play outside with me?
Yes, I want to big brother.
Hey Kalo, Clementine is here.
Okay Mom.
Thank you for letting us inside, Doris.
You're welcome, Kendra. It's very chilly outside.
Where is Caillou?
Hi Clementine.
Oh hi Caillou.
How are you doing?
Great, next week me and my mom are going Christmas caroling in the city.
Oh, you and your mom are going Christmas caroling?
Yes we are. It's me and Clementine's first time doing Christmas caroling in downtown Edmonton this Christmas Eve. Leo and his mom are also coming with us to do it too. It's gonna be fun.
You guys can join us in doing Christmas caroling too if you guys want to come.
We would love to do it this year, but me and my husband are trying to find a way to go see his parents in Alaska this Christmas, because all the flight tickets sold out.
Oh, okay then.
Man, it's gonna be so fun but you can't come with us this year.
It's okay Clementine, I'm sure next year my family won't plan to go to Alaska, so I can go with you.
Dear, don't worry. Caillou and his family needs to go see his grandparents to have fun in the holidays. Christmas is all about sharing and gathering the family to enjoy and have fun with each other.
Okay Mom.
Hey dear, you and Caillou can play for a while.
Yes thank you Mom.
Come on Clementine, let's go to Rosie.
Okay Caillou, wait for me.
2-inch smart TV on Black Friday.
Oh, that's cool.
Hey Doris,
What is it, dear?
I just got an idea to go to Alaska.
Oh. But how we're gonna get there?
Well, I was thinking if my new car can take us over there.
I'm not sure if your car can support the icy road over there.
My husband drove his car from Alberta to the Northwest Territories so he can get a job over there 2 years ago before he quit his job a year later. He told me that his 2012 car had supported all of the cold snow over there, and was driving slow from the icy roads.
Oh, so you think we can make it there with my car?
Yes, I'm sure your new car can also support the coldness over there.
Oh, okay, let's see if we can do it.
Also, Alaska is not that far. It only took like a few hours for my husband to arrive to Yellowknife. You guys have a safe and good Christmas over there.
You and your family have a safe and warm Christmas too.
I should be getting Clementine now, we're almost about to leave.
Hey Caillou, what kind of thing you want for Christmas?
I always wanted to get the PS5 for Christmas, even since I saw the console reveal.
Oh, cool. What I want is the present Bet's toy, and my brother Billy wants a new hoverboard for Christmas, because my dog and cat was messing with his old one last year.
Man, it's gonna be the first Christmas without Gilbert. He was my favorite cat I had. I just wished he can live longer.
Oh, Caillou, I know how you feel, but don't worry, Gilbert is in a good place now. He will be okay up there and he will always be in your heart.
Yeah. Hope you have a nice Christmas up there, Gilbert.
Kalo and Rosie, come here right now.
Clementine, come here.
Okay,
Okay,
Mom.
Dad?
Hey Daddy, what do you call us for?
Yeah, what do you want us for, Dad?
I got good news for you kids.
What is the good news, Mommy and Daddy?
We are going to Alaska to see Grandma and Grandpa again this Christmas.
Oh yay.
Wait, but how are we gonna get there?
We are going in my new Nissan car to get to Anchorage. So this Monday we are all gonna wake up at 9 a.m. and we will be going at 2 p.m.
Wait, but isn't there a snowstorm coming on Monday?
I forgot that there's a big snowstorm coming on Monday around 3 in the afternoon in the north and central of Alberta, so you might want to wake up and try to leave early.
Oh, so I guess we should get going early then.
I guess I have to pack some supplies and snacks just in case.
Okay, we will wake up at 7 a.m. and be leaving at 9:15 a.m. I just hope we can make it out from Alberta before the snowstorm. So anyways, I'll decorate and put on the tree today. Anyone wants to help me?
Yes, please.
Me too, I want to.
Hey Clementine, want to help me too?
Sure, Mr. Anderson.
Okay, but first, let's go pack our bags for the road trip, Kalo and Rosie.
Okay,
Okay,
Dad?
Daddy.
Man, this is going to be the worst Christmas. I'm really scared about that snowstorm heading to us while we're driving. This is my first time driving the coldest places in Canada. Why can't Grandma and Grandpa move over here to Edmonton? Don't worry, Caillou. I'm sure we can make it to Alaska with no problem. But stop worrying about bad things, okay? Okay, I will. Just think of good things this Christmas right now. I will.
Hey Kalo, do you need some help packing some stuff?
Yes, I need help, please.
Okay, I'm coming.